Welcome, I'm Rose Zotley showing you how I make my Green Apple Pineapple Sangria with and without alcohol. Core 2 Granny Smith apples, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Rinse and add them to a pitcher. Cut a little bit of fresh pineapple and do the same. Then add just a handful of grapes. Add 7 ounces of Monin Granny Smith apple syrup. I'll post a link in the description or comments below. Add 1 bottle of Moscato. I like to use this Barefoot Fruitscato Apple flavor. For a mocktail, no alcohol, substitute it with a non-alcoholic wine such as Rondelle or even Welch's sparkling grape juice. Pour 7 ounces of pineapple juice into your pitcher as well. Now chill for 2 to 3 hours or overnight with these ingredients so the wine soaks in the fresh fruit, taking on the sweetness and imparting an incredible bite to the fruit itself. Then you want to add Sprite or ginger ale in ice just before serving to maintain the fizz. Cheers, like and follow.